Hey there, is your Civilization 6 not launching from Steam? Well, worry not. We're here to help you get it to work again on Steam. Faulty graphics device drivers or incompatible applications are common causes when the Civilization 6 won't launch from Steam. It's important to bear in mind that altering a few of the game's compatibility options can be helpful if Civilization 6 won't open on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This unpleasant problem may also be fixed by modifying Civilization 6's launch settings. Use each one of the solutions we've listed for you in this video and you'll probably be able to fix this frustrating issue. So why is Civilization 6 not launching? Well, it appears that Civilization 6 has a weird crash, which keeps the game from starting up from the Windows 7, Windows 10, or Mac Epic launchers. And according to some users, Civilization 6 is not launching because Windows Defender or any other security program tends to check Civilization 6's complete installation in real time when it is installed, which slows down the process. So how to fix Civilization 6 if it won't launch? Well, you can apply these solutions one by one. Number 1. Update the graphics card drivers on your computer. Number 2. On Steam, set up the Civilization 6 launch options. And to do that, you gotta open the Steam client software and navigate to the Library tab. Then right-click Civilization 6 and select the Properties option. Then enter the following launch configuration in the Launch Options box. Keep in mind that you'll need to replace full Civilization 6 game path in the above launch configuration with the actual installation folder path of your Steam game. Number 3. Run Civilization 6 as an administrator. Number 4. Create a new user account in Windows with a different name. Number 5. Verify Civilization 6's game cache. Number 6. Choose a different DirectX version to run Civilization 6. Number 7. Reinstall Civilization 6. And now finally, number 8. Close or disable incompatible software. When trying to launch Civilization 6 with Steam, make sure no competing game launchers, such as Epic Games, are active in the background. If Civilization 6 won't launch through Epic Games, try closing Steam. Check if there are any icons for other gaming client software on your PC. If so, select Exit or Close from the client software's context menu by right-clicking it. Another possible issue with Civilization 6 is third-party antivirus software. To disable any third-party antivirus software, right-click its icon in the system tray and choose the Disable option. Then choose to temporarily disable the antivirus protection before attempting to launch Civilization 6. We're pretty sure this will kickstart the game for most of you. So guys, these were the 8 methods to fix the Civilization 6 not launching through Steam error. Hope you found the video informative, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.